I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing which removal you need: trailing spaces, all extra spaces, or converting tabs to spaces. Once decided, open the file and press Ctrl+Shift+P to run commands. Make sure auto-save is on or create a quick backup so you can undo if needed. For simple trimming, you'll use built-in commands. For patterns, you'll use the Find widget with regex. This initial choice guides whether you use a quick command, an editor setting, or a regex replace. Now execute the change. Open Replace with regex enabled. For trailing spaces, search \S+$ and replace with nothing. For collapsing spaces, search \S2 and replace with a single space. Once done, run Replace All and review a few hits to confirm. If you prefer automatic handling, set Editor. Trim Auto Whitespace to True or enable Format on Save and configure your formatter to collapse or remove spaces. Make sure to check language-specific settings so behavior matches your project conventions. Finish by saving and scanning a representative section to confirm correctness. If something looks wrong, use Undo immediately or revert via source control. Make sure to commit only after verification. If the regex missed cases, adjust the pattern and test on sample lines until it matches expected input. Also check extensions like Editor Config, Prettier, or linters that may reinsert or change whitespace. Disable them temporarily to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: test on a copy of the file before mass replacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.